Hi, good morning.
Very good morning.
How are you?
Yeah, I am doing fine. I think we had a earlier session and there was some technical issue,
Yes,
and so
yes,
they
there
provided
was.
me a new session.
Oh, that's nice.
The team is really supportive.
Okay, that's nice. The session was covered.
Yeah,
Okay, so you are from Mangalore.
I am from Mangalore, South India.
Okay, and how many members are there in your family?
So dad, mom, sister, me. There are total four members in my family, and I also have a grandmother and uncle, aunt,
Okay, do you live
and
in a
so
joint family?
no no. We live in a divided family, and
All right.
yeah, I normally don't keep a count, but yeah, I just counted.
Okay, all right, fine. In my family, it's me and my parents and my dog, who is my baby.
Yeah, I
He
can
turned 3
understand.
this year. You've had a pet too?
I am a diehard fan of cat. I love
Okay,
cats, and my second priority are dogs.
all right. So you're a cat person.
Yeah, I am a cat person, and I
Hmm.
had so many cats in my life, and even right now we have a cat,
Okay.
and
So the cat is your pet or it keeps coming and going? Is it a he or a she?
uh, most of the time it's a she,
Okay.
and
Have you
that's why
named
my
her?
yeah, that's why my mom like don't want to keep her inside our home for long because she will have more kids,
Right.
and yeah, my mom
That's a
wants
common concern of all parents. That was the concern of my mother also. That's how I have a he dog and not a she dog because same concern. The
and
dog will have puppies and then who's going to take care of them?
I'm a type of person who likes babies of animals more than human babies.
Right. I understand. I'm the same. They are way easier to handle than human babies
Yeah, and they are
and easier
more, I
to
think,
train.
exactly.
And once trained, they won't let you down, unlike kids who let you down even after they're grown up.
Yeah, these people are like known for their loyalty.
Yes. So, what is your current cat's name?
Oh, its name is like multicolor because it has some multiple colors,
Okay.
and we just call it that name just for fun.
All right.
We just
So, how
want to
often?
laugh.
Uh-huh. How
That's
often does
why.
this cat visit, or is she there
If
only right outside your house?
she will be right outside my home because I think she used to struggle for food, and when she got into our home, she started getting proper nutrition and fish and all other non-veg, and now she don't want to leave us at all. Even if I open
Okay.
my door right now, she will come inside. She may be waiting outside.
Is she allowed inside the house?
Yeah, she is allowed. Like yeah, we keep the door open and she comes. Right now, I am not keeping the door open because she will disturb me.
More than she will disturb you, I think you will be distracted once she's around.
Yeah, true.
She won't disturb. She'll just roam around. She'll do her thing, but you will be the one who will be distracted.
Yeah, no, no, she will disturb. Like she will call that meow meow, and
I would love to see her actually, but it might be really distractive for both of us.
yeah, true. And
So no.
it's not that easy to put her outside once she is inside.
Okay. And what does she eat then? What do you feed her?
I feed her sometimes that cat food is there,
Mm-hmm.
and apart from that, she eats that bones of fish, and she also eats chapati. Today we had chapati, so we put some pieces to her, and she ate it. And apart from that, she also loves drink milk,
Of course. That's a
and
favorite.
she don't want us to like sit quietly. She wants us to sit beside her, and feed her 24 hours.
Yeah, my dog is the same. He will be ever hungry.
Yeah. And what is the name of your dog?
My dog's name is Jimmy.
Jimmy. Yeah, my cousin brother's pet dog name is Jimmy.
Okay. And we have a building. So Jimmy stays in the parking. The entire parking is his. Again, he sheds a lot of hair. He's very hairy and he has a lot of hair fall. So my mother says no to keeping him inside the house because
No,
he sheds a lot.
I think you should like consult him to a doctor because that's not normal, right?
For him, it is. I mean, that's how his hair texture is. It has always been like that. And Jimmy is a rescue pet. Like I literally picked him off the street. I was walking on the road. I saw this sad, weak-looking puppy, and I picked him up, and he looks like a fox now.
Now he's healthy, I guess, thanks to
Yeah,
you.
yeah, he's extra healthy. People feed him so much, and he will never say no to food, be it strangers, be it anyone in the building. Anytime you give him food, he'll be happy.
That's good to know. I would love to have a dog, but my parents tell me that right now it's not required. When you have your own home, you can have it
All
because
parents are the same.
you won't take care of it like cleaning its potty and all.
Exactly.
Yeah.
I understand. I totally do. So, how did you start liking cats? Like, since childhood, you were a cat person only? How did
Yeah,
you
yeah.
figure out that you like cats more than dogs? Was there
Uh,
any incident? Did some cats come really close to you?
no, from my childhood, there was a cat which is a very weird kind of cat, and it used to steal vegetables. It never touched any kind of non-veg food. It
Okay,
only liked
vegetarian cat.
vegetable. Yeah, vegetarian cats. We all of our family still remembers it, and
Okay.
from that day, like I started loving cats. And maybe I don't like dogs because usually my uncle bring their dog, and it's a kind of trained dog, and it's loyal to my uncle, and it
Hmm.
won't allow me to touch often. It's very hard to like touch it, and only a selected dog will allow me to touch it. Even my cousin
Right.
brother's Jimmy dog, that will sit in my lap if I go there.
Uh-huh.
So there are, I like dog, but I love cats more.
Okay. Dogs, yeah, they are loyal to certain people. They like certain people, they don't like certain people. They have those kind of mood swings. But I believe cats have it even more, right? I mean, for one, I think cats have a lot of attitude. They won't come close to you easily unless they know that you're the one who's feeding them on a daily basis. And I get very scared about cats because they'll just tend to scratch you at any point of time without warning. Like for dogs, they'll growl, they'll show some sign, they'll show their teeth that okay, they're not liking this, you back off now. But with cats, you never know, you're touching them one moment, next moment they just, within a fraction of a second, they'll just turn and just do
I'm
this.
used to that. I'm used to that. I got lot of scratches in my hand.
All cat lovers say this. There's one auntie on the second floor, even she had a cat, and it was a male cat. And even she used to have scratches all over here, on her face, and just randomly that cat used to come and scratch her, and she used to be fine with it.
Yeah, even I am fine with it, but I'm a bit scared to like keep touching it always. And
It is very
I
scary.
get some kind of feeling when it is about to scratch, and I don't, because of experience with lot of
Uh-huh.
scratches.
That's good. It's good to know. I mean, it's good to have some indication that they're about to scratch you or they're not liking whatever you're doing. Cats give nothing.
So like I don't surprise the cat. Like if I wanted to touch the cat, I will make some sound
Huh.
and make that cat know that I am about to touch or come closer, and then I will touch, even if it's my own cat or something.
Right. So if you had a pet cat, like of your own, which you could take inside the house and live with for as long as it lives. Give me two names. What would you name your cat and what would you name your dog when you have one?
I would like to name my dog as Husky, and I want to have a Husky breed itself. It's a very famous
Husky
dog,
in
and
Mangalore, I know, but Husky in Mangalore, it's hot, no? Husky needs
uh,
cold weather.
yeah, I will create some cold atmosphere for that.
So you will be paying a lot for the AC all year round.
Yeah, maybe if that's what required to keep it, I might do that.
Because people that I know who have a husky, that's what happens. Mostly all rich people who have it, because it does need an AC room 24/7, because that's the kind of weather they're used to. That is their habitat naturally.
No, but there is I visited to a place in Mangalore. So it's a pet cafe. So there you can have food and enjoy with dogs.
Okay.
So there is one big husky, and it's adjusted to that atmosphere. Of course, it
All
sleeps
right.
sleeps now and then, but it feels like it's adapted.
Okay.
If we
Okay. So
bring a
dog.
husky from its childhood stage, I think it will get adapted
Hmm.
with years.
Okay. But that's not really natural, no? Not even for the husky.
Yeah, but my ideal dog is a husky, but I'm not sure to get a dog. I would prefer cat for right now. My mentality is towards cat.
And what would you name your pet cat?
I have named so many names in the past. It could be even I would call it Shiva because my name is Shiva, uh, and I will like name it on the basis of it itself. If it is having some multiple color, like present cat, we will
Uh-huh.
call it multicolor.
Okay.
So depending on the behavior of that cat, we will name it on that behavior. There is no specific name I would like to give it.
Mm-hmm. All right. Do you watch all those cat videos and dog videos on YouTube or Instagram or Facebook?
No, I am a business kind of person, and I think it's a clean time waste. I just to I like to enjoy with real cats, but not waste my time on this movies
Watching
or
videos.
yeah. Even in movies, there are some kind of movies which are inspirational and related to cat and dog. I watch such kinds,
Yes.
but not some videos which will clearly waste my time.
Uh-huh. Can you name any movie that you remember right now that you've watched regarding animals and not animated, real animals?
I would like prefer a dog's purpose. It's
Okay.
the best movie I watched so far. It's regarding to dog, like how a dog, even if it dies in its next born,
Next slide.
that yeah, next life, it will remember the same owner and get back to the old owner and make that owner
Mm-hmm.
remember about him, and they cry, and it's so emotional and a great movie to watch. And apart from that, I remember a movie called as I don't exactly remember the movie, but if you search on Google, you will get that. It's related to husky, how loyal a husky is, and how it knew that his owner will die today, and it waited for the owner in the railway station, and that owner,
Oh, that is Hachi, the Japanese dog, right?
yeah,
Hachi.
yeah,
That's
yeah,
the
Hachi,
one.
Hachi, yeah, and the dog died in the railway station waiting for it, and
Yes.
there is a
That's a
statue.
very famous story. Yeah.
So that day, I decided I would like to have a husky.
Okay. All right. There are many other interesting movies. Like you could watch Eight Below. It's very nice.
Eight
Number
below.
eight. Eight Below.
Mhm.
Do watch it. Check it out. You might like it.
Yeah,
Okay. Other
I
than cats and dogs, what is the coolest or the wackiest pet that you would like to have?
a
Imagine
horse, a horse, because
a horse.
I watched some history movies like Maharana Pratap, Indian Kings, and they had such an loyal horse that even I would like to have such a horse. I won't keep it as a like I won't keep it in a jail kind of atmosphere, but
It would be free.
I want to keep it free and at its will.
Okay, that's nice.
And I want to have a great relationship so that it won't misbehave to my neighbors or something.
It won't misbehave with your neighbors.
Yeah, with my neighbors.
All right. And are you scared of snakes? I'm very scared of snakes. I hate
Yeah.
reptiles, in fact.
Yeah,
Snakes, lizards, crocodiles. Although I've never encountered a crocodile, but I'm very scared of reptiles in general.
Same. I'm scared of reptiles in general. Not only reptiles, there are so many other kinds which, if it, especially it's spider, I hate it the most.
I hate spider. I mean, there's nothing to be scared about them. It's just the look of it. Got those 8 legs and it does that thing. It's really creepy. They just look creepy. Although they are practically harmless, I believe. But yeah, I hate spiders too.
It's super. Even it is scarier than any reptile form.
Okay. Which other animals are you scared of? Animals, insects, any creature?
No, I don't like any kind of insects. I don't like it. And but
what
there are
about
some.
butterflies?
Even butterfly, I don't like it because its close view is scary.
Okay. I know its body looks scary. The wings are pretty.
Yeah,
but if you look closely at the body,
but I'm sure that,
that of a cockroach.
But I'm sure that it will come closer, so I don't like it.
Again, butterflies are one of the most harmless creatures ever. But yeah, its body does look creepy. It looks like that of a cockroach to me.
Yeah, that's why I don't want any kind of like I won't have any insect pets.